Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tools and initiating contact. You should power everything off, disconnect any wireless or optical connections, and plug the mix amp into your computer via USB. Open Astro Command Center now, because the software controls the safe factory restore. Once done, make sure the device appears in the app. If it does not, try a different USB port or cable before proceeding with a reset. You will use the Command Center to both reset and update. First select the mix amp, then choose Restore Defaults. Confirm when prompted and let the utility run without disconnecting power. If the app flags a firmware update, install it immediately. Updates often resolve persistent bugs. Make sure progress reaches 100%. If installation stalls, close the app, reconnect the device, and repeat the restore and update sequence until successful. Once firmware and defaults are applied, reboot the mix amp and headset and test audio and microphone in your operating system and in-game. Reconfigure your preferred EQ, voice balance, and side tone through Command Center, because Reset returns settings to stock. If something still fails, no audio, mic dead, or device not recognized, try a known good USB cable and alternate USB port, reinstall Astro Command Center, and repeat the restore. If that does not fix it, contact Astro support for hardware servicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.